my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look Thursday. Put your drink, got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love, then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose. We're back with another video, and as you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be giving you guys a little review on the Samsung Galaxy Bud Live headphones or Bluetooth headphones. Yeah, so if you want to see my thoughts and what I have to say about these headphones, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start off with actually what comes inside of the box. So I got my box a little bit dirty, don't mind that, but this is what the box looks like. These are the Galaxy Bud Live Bluetooth headphones. So this is what it looks like. So when you open the box, this is what you'll see. You will see the case. There are different colors. I got the Mystic Bronze shade. I love this shade or color. I believe there's black and white, or I don't know if they have this one in red, but I'll pop up a picture of these shades that they do have. So this is what you will see when you open the box. So you will have the Bluetooth headphones case. Obviously they're not on because I am wearing them, but they will be inside the case when you open them. This is what the case looks like. We will get back to the case in a second. And then right down here you do have a little box. So in this box you have the smaller, I believe they're smaller, or they might be the larger pieces that you can put onto the headphones so that they fit your ear a bit nicer. So you do get two sizes. Mine's already came with one size on them. I believe these are the smaller ones. So yeah, you will see a better look at those in a second. And then you also get the charging wire. So this is a Type C wire, the USB Type C, which is the new universal wire, I guess, apparently. And then you also get the quick start guide, which is this little pamphlet right here. Just tells you how to start using them. And then you also get the terms and conditions little pamphlet as well. So that is everything that comes inside the box. Okay, so let's get back to the actual headphone case. This case does charge them when they are dead. You put them in here and they will charge, and then most likely after that charge you will want to charge the case itself. So on the back you have the Type C charging port. So that is how you charge it. You just put the wire in and it will charge. Obviously make sure it's connected to an outlet. And then when you turn it around, you have this little light here. And this little light is just the indicator light that tells you that it is charging. So moving along onto the inside, you do see the little groove for the headphones to sit in. So when you put the headphones in, these two little like prong looking things are actually what charge the headphones. They will connect to the headphones and start charging them. And then right down here you have the battery indicator light, and this just tells you if it is charging or not. And then of course you do have the little letters which indicate left and right. That is everything about the case. So let's discuss the actual design of the earbuds. As you can see, I'm wearing them now. You can obviously tell that I'm wearing them, but if I had my hair down you wouldn't be able to really tell that I'm wearing headphones. I love the design. So these are designed with an ergonomic fit, so I guess it's supposed to be like a better wear overall. Can I agree with that? Yes, I can. I love the way they fit in the ear. They are so nice and sleek in my opinion. Personally, I hate the silicone tips to headphones. Like these came with my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and these are the silicone rubbery tips. I don't like putting those in my ear. I feel like it's just gross and not sanitary. I'm gonna obviously clean them, but still I don't like that feeling, and these don't have that. These are so comfortable. I absolutely love the way they fit. I love the design, I love the color, and I can move my head around and they won't just, you know, flop out. So they do have a nice, you know, attachment inside my ear. And also, I don't know if you know, but the AirPods have that one little part to the earphone that hangs out. Although they are Bluetooth and wireless, I personally don't like that design. I don't have them. I can't attest if they are good or not, but I prefer this design overall. There's nothing hanging out my ear. Really easy to style my hair, do my makeup, and not have to worry about getting my headphones, you know, dirty or anything. So that is a plus for me. And I don't want you to think that I'm like trying to come at your headphones. If you have AirPods and you love them, that's great. What works for me necessarily won't work for you. So to each his own, but this is my preferred type of headphone. So another feature that these headphones are supposed to have is active noise cancellation, which is ANC. And me personally, I don't really notice a difference with it on or off. I personally don't need it to be on. I have a 2-year-old son and a 2-month-old newborn, so I kind of need to be able to hear some type of outside noise when I have these in. I don't listen to it full blast unless they're both sleeping. Then maybe I will listen to it full blast because then I can enjoy my music and whatever it is that I'm doing. But I normally keep it around, like, you know, mid volume so that I can hear some of the outside noise, just in case if my son wakes up crying or if my daughter wakes up crying, I can hear them. And these are perfect because they don't have that rubber suction tip that closes off the sound. You can still hear some outside noise, which I can appreciate. Again, what works for me may not work for you. Maybe you enjoy having complete, like, closed off sound when you have your headphones on, but I don't. So yeah, as you can see, the design, the fit is just so nice. Ever since I got them, I have been obsessed with them. I am absolutely in love with these headphones and best purchase ever. So in this video, I know most videos you do see demos comparing them to AirPods or the Galaxy Plus buds or other headphones, but I don't have anything to compare them to except my Galaxy Note 10 headphones, and these are not wireless, so there's no point in comparing them. So I won't be doing any like live demos. The only live demo that you will see is actually going on right now through the video, and I have been trying them out with other videos, and it is the microphone. Apparently this has more than one microphone. These headphones, I'm not sure, I gotta look at the pamphlet to confirm that, but the microphone is amazing. I personally can appreciate the microphone on these headphones because now I don't have to be like this on my camera to make sure that you guys can hear me. I can sit nice and comfortably as far away from my camera as I want, and my headphones are acting as the microphone, and they don't sound raspy or anything, and I am obsessed with that. I don't have to purchase another microphone just so you guys can hear me. So the mic on these, I think the quality is amazing. So the battery life, let's get into that. So on the back of the box, it does claim that you can get 6 to 21 hours of wear time / play time. For me personally, I think they last pretty good amount of time. I wear them throughout the day and they kind of last me the entire day. I don't always have the music on playing, so maybe that's why, but they are constantly in my ear and they still work. It does give you a little noise indicator when you have them in your ear that the battery is dying, and it will pop up a notification on your phone as well. But I do know in some cases it varies. If you use your headphones on the much more heavier side, you might get less wear time, but if you wear them a little bit lighter like me, you might get them to last the entire day. Also, it does depend if you use ANC. That does come into play with wear time. If you do have it on, you get about an hour or two less wear time than you would if you don't have ANC on. So let's discuss charging time. I believe that if you leave them in the case or the case on the charger for an hour, you get a full charge. That's what I heard. I don't know, I just leave it on my charger and walk away. That's just me. That's what I do. I do know if you charge it maybe for like 5-10 minutes, you get a decent amount of charge to the actual earphones on the case, I believe. Again, they last me the entire day, so I don't really need to charge them. I basically just charge them at night. But I know that would come in handy for someone who does forget to put their devices to charge at night and they need them the next day. Putting these on the charger for less than an hour might give you enough battery time to last you the entire day. So again, my favorite part about these headphones is the actual design. They are so sleek and they fit so well and they sound perfectly fine. I am obsessed with them, so I cannot tell you guys enough how much I love these headphones. I think the price is pretty decent for what you're getting. So they also do have this touch type of feature where if you touch it once, it does something. If you touch it twice, it does something. And if you touch it 3 times, it also does something. You have the ability to control what it does, whether it stops or plays your music, answers a phone call, or it changes the track or raises the volume. So also, yeah, if you like long press this part, you can raise the volume on this headphone. If you long press the like sensitive touch part on this side, it will lower the volume. So yeah, you have the ability to change that all in the app that you download. If you have an Android, if you have the Galaxy Wearables app, that is how you set everything up that you need on this. I will insert a clip of what that app looks like as far as settings and all that good stuff. If I had to rate these on a scale of 1 rose to 10 roses, I'm using roses because Serenity Rose fan, you guys know, I would most definitely give these headphones a 10 rose rating. I am absolutely in love with them, and I don't see them going anywhere anytime soon, and I don't see myself purchasing another set of headphones. Especially, I feel like no one's gonna really come up with anything similar to this. I feel like the next set of Bluetooth headphones are probably gonna go back to the silicone tip. Listen, if you are like me and you hate that little rubber tip in your ear, trust me, these are for you. So that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up, comment down below any questions you have about these headphones and I can try to answer them. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are, staying safe, staying blessed, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Todd, can you play that again? We've been through the 305 highway, loving like a ride in the fast lane.